Hey, hit. Okay, let's get this thing off here. Well, we're gonna have easy time. That's gonna come right out. It's already loose. Oh my gosh, we got so lucky. Oh, look at that. Okay, we'll leave it there so this adjuster here doesn't fall. It's a pain to get back in. It may anyway by pulling that out. Okay, we got the master link out, so we drop that out. Alrighty. Well, let's see if she'll come out of it. Should slide it right on out. And hope the bike don't tip over. Ah, hung up right there. Alright. Well, there it is, ready to go in something else. So we need a sprocket. But you see how quick it just go right back in there. Oh, you don't want that. And there she is. Okay, we're waiting on a sprocket, and then I'll bring back. Okay, there she is. Okay, now that one's going up for sale. It does run, needs a Bendix and the generator work done. I'm not sure about the wiring, and basically, yeah, it needs to come off and remanufactured or something. Otherwise, that's it.